22-inch cut. It has a side discharge chute. You attach that on here. Hose, cleaning point. It has an electric start with a battery charger, so this is more like your cordless drill charger. There's your battery. It has a cup holder, 3 gears or 3 speeds. So to start it, you'd engage, push the button. Start it with the recoil rope, so you do the same thing, pull down, grab the recoil rope. There's also a deck block, so you'd remove that when you're using the bag, and you can just leave the bag on if you like. Yeah, nice little mower, larger horsepower at 200 cc.